Industries don't evolve. They get redefined. There was a time when Bell was just a phone company. They didn't just connect calls. They connected people. And that changed everything. Then there was IBM. They weren't selling machines. They were selling information. And the world followed. And Apple? They started as a computer company. But they didn't stop there. They quickly became the communication company. Automotive repair today feels fragmented. Collision here, mechanical there, certifications over there. Vendors, tooling, training, service. Disconnected systems, disconnected teams, disconnected decisions. That's the old way.
Collision Vision isn't just a collision management company. Collision Vision is the automotive management company.
One platform. One source of truth. One operating system for the entire automotive ecosystem. From collision to mechanical, from vendors to tooling, from certifications to compliance. Everything connected, everything visible. The future of automotive isn't repair, it's management. This is Collision Vision, the future of automotive management.